Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, I am going to show you how to unhide rows in Excel. How to show your hided rows in your Excel sheet. So, guys, without time wasting, let's start with the video. If you're new on this channel, I request you if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and comments below. So let's start with the video. Let's go on my Excel sheet. So here I'm on my Excel sheet. So I'm going to first hide my hide my rows. Then I will show you how to unhide. Okay, how to recognize hided rows in Excel. So let's start with the video. First I'm going to hide. So guys, I hide some rows in this Excel. So how to recognize the hidden rows? Okay, so there is a two situation you can recognize the hidden rows. So here I am going to zoom it. Okay, you can see here dark line between the numbers. Okay, if you see other numbers 9, so you can see this is single line, and you can see this is a dark line. Or second one, you can recognize uh, uh, there is a serial number 1 2. You can see there is a skipped number like 3 4. So direct it show 5 number. So you can recognize there is a 3 and 4 row is hidden now. Okay, so this is how you can spot the hidden rows in Excel. So now you want to expand the hidden rows. So here there is two way you can unhide rows, or you can see hidden rows in Excel. So here you have to first click on this above number, and then press the control key and click on below number, and simply click on the right click of mouse and click on unhide. Okay, it is zoom, I think. That's why. Let's see. Okay guys, there was a problem. I press the control, guys. Okay, you have to press the shift and click on above number, and then after below number, first click the above number. Okay, then press the shift button, then click on below number. Now you can click on the right and unhide it. Okay, so that is how you can unhide rows in Excel. There is another way. If you want to unhide all rows in Excel, so there is a option. Okay, so if you hide if I want to hide it. Okay, I'm going to hide it. Okay, I'm going to hide it. Okay, so now you can spot all hidden rows in Excel. Okay, there is another step. So you have to click on this. Okay, so this will be select all your rows, and simply go to the home and find a cell, and go to format and click on this and click on unhide rows. So it will be unhide. Okay, so that is how you can recognize, or you can show your hidden rows in Excel. So I hope you like this video. Hit the like button, subscribe my channel. Thanks for comment and comments below. Thank you for watching.